Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 15, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 15, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numerong lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 15, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, October 15, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 15, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.